Galamsay. Ye gusua ye fight against Galamsay. Enam enchirimano enti. Na yadanyamia se esan se no small scale miners IGP nso yebebo nabaso esan se omate omu ho agumu a omo nso ebo adwuma se de ebe ya omo di se adwuma no ye do omo ebe fa ekwan paso na se emra kwan eso media ene Patricia Odro ushia me a obetimi afreme Madam Pat mama haga emode mema wakwaba eba FPNTV official eso eha eye adekye emunsem eha ena yede ensemo a enano enamuo na egumo na nenamo framem utibi misumitibi eno ho daro ena yeba abebo na enade na yegina Galamsay so the previous days ni yedin kan abeka ho asama chese na eha adwen yie pa na nsese no IGP nso eni abra ono so organizing the police members ni bia waya ne force a omo so atiaguma chese omudi jumaye sanso na small scale minders no omo so ati omo tax force a omo so ati omo ho agumu a omo so fighting against Galamsay. Yeshe amenfi area ho someone boy ho baby anti Galamsay team arrested a nipa 26 illegal miners. Inipa mako 28 was site. Chese omo de miner na no omo tu ena omo essay ensuo no nchirima no na ya wo videos ni bi wo ho a chese wo hwe enkroma na de omo ba nom kra no aya na ayeden na no ya be hyeda abebo ho ya be hyeda de aba ni abeka ho asem na omamfo no yensuso ya de adwenkyira ayeden aba ni ehunu de eko na sama boy ho ena ya ho anti Galamsay team bi omo so akwachire enipa mako 28 legal miners illegal miners asabre enu omo kasa de omo aka edwemu na ya hu ni se emu 7 eye Chinese for na emu 11 so ya hu se ya ma omo bill ya beka no brofumu se bill ena ya hu no so se excavators awodo mako 99 good excavators were found there. What were they doing? What was it doing there? 99 excavators were found there. Imagine say this number of excavators egu site wa she jumedia koso ewo that particular place. Na imagine there koso enso ewo ho. Abusuafo ayana ensembi eha na yana ensembi so arewo. Ya bodaro yi. Me patro yan share videos no. Na mahwefo ene metiefo enso ehunu de ye ka ho asemi.
Special anti-Galamsay team set up by the Inspector General of Police has arrested 28 illegal miners in the Awin and Amenfi West municipalities of the Western and Western North regions. Despite ongoing raids in Summerboy and its environs, the miners were found operating in reserves close to Enchi. The team seized 3 excavators, bringing the total of excavators at the Summerboy camp.
Raids, series of them on Summerboy, Awin municipality, the Amenfi area, trying to rid the forest and the rivers here of illegal miners.
In the past 3 days, 28 illegal miners have been arrested at Papuiso and Pantonso, both in the Awin and Amenfi West municipalities. Following screening of the 21 Ghanaian suspects and compiling of statements, 11 of the suspects were released.
Sa Galamsay itini mu na abusuafo say yehwe ye betumi asori afi ya man konkron Ghana edru China say ekwa akwese wonkuro sane ya wono wo bakuro yimu na all say yensuo na enwuma hodo no nso no say yehwe mu a Chinese people no omo a lot of projects ewo Ghana hapa na enam say Galamsay ho asem na ye kenti no emu enso ena yahunu se waka Galamsay project a omo eye ehu.
The team had to stop the continued pollution of this stream by individuals operating champagne machines. On our way to check the situation in the Tano Nimri Forest Reserve, the team accosted Prince Kwame Asante, a known frontrunner for illegal mining entities in the Apamprama Forest Reserve. A search in his car revealed a foreign pistol as he sent officers on a wild goose chase on his mission in the Tano Nimri Forest Reserve. The team has so far cleared villages along the Tano of the illegal miners who once
Nsu ahodo a yasɛ no ya na areho enti sɛ wo kro bi so na illegal mining anasa Galamsay ama wo mpota mu anasa wo kro mu ayese ya ebeda kwa na farmers wo ho no omo etimi aduaduanuaba ama omo anya bi edi.
Even a sigh of relief. Although there are no jobs, we cannot mine in forests and water bodies. The police have really helped us.
Because
we have to stop them. Yes, we have to stop them. I wish the police would stay here to protect the forest.
Enyina enti abaso bode ena wade ma apostifo a sabre no oba kromu ho a obetwitwa eje won ewo sa kwan no eso.
Relentless war against illegal mining. Reporting for Joy News, Erastus Asare Donko. Amenfi, our Win municipality, Western Region, Western North.
Mining and say a radia doma omo etumi ekodoa bi mu at the stopo Galamsay enti sabre the fight for Galamsay egusu a chese enya agrokra because empenifa ma wonan ensi form e was ade we hu a enchirima no the last time na me ka say years are coming na ansha the back cranes you ewo aman so ena yete aba yankware and carrier forest and so e won so yenya nti yesa illegal mining bi e koso e wo honom eno so yenya nti yesa the 4 brand new excavators ena wa maso e de akogu sa empotayimu a e hon so chese Galamsay no e koso butu a chese enye asenketwa ekra.
Illegal miners have staged a bold return to the Nkaria Forest District, leaving behind a trail of devastation in some of the country's most fragile green belts. A special police task force acting on intelligence embarked on a major operation deep inside the forest enclave, where they discovered extensive environmental destruction.
This is the Nkaria Forest District, and the police just made its way into the forest, and fresh invasion has been made by
everything. They have destroyed most of our forests. I just say wo ko kra are say I wonder say so omo shibidie ema yan so nkron ketua mama ebi nso kra ba nkra kasie yi mu ema yenya bi no ano a yenuane ne ade na ya na me bisa mo say nti won kra no wada ho enya nua yi bi mpo ena wahye nti no wonder say na bidie kra bo ayaden openua no kra wanya bi because of illegal mining ekoso ewo the sectors enti we no sa wo sha Enkaria Forest District ewo ena illegal yi ekoso na one day won tiri yeye esan say mododo na etimi edwane na ye nua be men ena aposifo ni tranye ya aposifo ensa eka no na ye bisa na num nsem na eni kwakwa wase media me papa every modadada enunti Galamsay no ena me so me di twitwa me ho afede yesa bisa no so enra nko a ena me ba ababeye na susuan pa say po aka illegal mining ni ehwa yamfa blame no ema no anase yamfa blame no ema adwumawura no de oda adwumawura because this person is employed by his boss. And to the blame no ema employer no anase yamfa blame no emfama boss no ofana ne ho aka adwam na oresania ne ho esi elpupu ya na areho eye pa
Oya si acho
I say police for jam serious man kura gu me tokra me kura nyam na me ye 19 obi na ye 19 ti afi na me ma birthday
mo ye sen na mo ye adwuma o de wani hwe ma mo ye nipa be sen
o be 8
mo ye adwuma wa ha.
The community miners had made several
asasina enti we say dia kasie ye omode betu we no omode stop police for no say be ya omo entumi ema but at the end of the day omo kweyi free ho no so that excavators na omo koto ewo ho no omo ebetwe nyina ede akọ enti na skofie jare de wase me de me papa ewu enunti ena ama me bia sa adwuma we se de be ya mensa ebetumi
which have been
mano enti at the end of the day excavators na ewo ho no ma no mudi di dwuma ne de eye omotan ne nyina edekọ patase depo eho ena omako people no said ye be ya wonsa entumi enka ensan fankudi dwuma no na papa de etiefo ne ahwefo yan comment papa chese ono no kra de wo akode a wo use nyina nti I was wondering say what is this man doing? What is he doing with these pistols? What is he doing with these guns? At least he's aside that he's even a suspect. He's even a suspect. And who shana who side no erade nyankopon wo moa ne ma because when say no wo mistake here obetimi a shoot you to death at any time. What I said, who decide this will obey disobey ne others are obetimi akun all in the name of kakra ibedi 80. And this is a man what means why ye man ache why and yes say bia oninsa no dwuma nso oye na dwuma but because of say mine and sika ewo munti no wagya na dwuma abeto ho na all Gala or says you know at the end of the day send the payan so baba bejina ha be kase o mine no asay and cry and free joy news and no obia any age say apostle for boy chuma yes certain force in fact IGP aboma basu ye jumadia masha in fact more year fighting against mining we appreciate it so much we do appreciate it na yesera de nyankopon say onkoso amama modin eni nimdie ni nyansa mo betumi ede abo adwumen ede amaye. Na yakonya news be informations being so our UTV United television so I want so mankran so we dey ye mankran so ya ena ye hu ne say wono omo so omatiesi esuo mankran mu just omo de ensuo ni finfin na wana ye say wono na sikapodo no egu nti omo ne de che say ensuo na nkasa mu ena omatie egu ena omo sai esuo mankran aposti fonso akwadroa omo pa yen hwe de course ho
scale minus task force wonum akeka wo ho ewo mankranso na wo kire se baby a wo mu etu Galamsay a wo mu ni license wo mu nye hwe wo mu koyen company wo mu na de wo mu pe akwakɔhye kwayenim na de ya na yakra ne se yensu anso wonum ese no na sa task force yi ana mo kire se wo mu wo asantemantam nti we no a small scale miners association ana wo mu ate task force eti task force ne de wo mu ye ne se omo tu Galamsay no wo mo kɔ ekotosha wo mo so na no no mo se mankranso ho baabi no wo mo atiesi asuo mankramu na wonum etu nti sese ni sansuo no so wo mo se no eno na task force no hu ya wo mo kɔ ye no na wo mo tu Galamsay no
su ewo asuo mankran eso na sa task force wa say yantina wani ankasa wademe oneme na emom wademe yonko ye nyina yade ye ho begim sede be ya ommeka se yen so ye ka ho and so that this small scale tax force and so atifa honom na no krenie omo equipment ne die excavators ane wo hode oma hyedodo no a oma hyedodo na and so the question is obetumi a follow a like it na wa comment it. Now the question is yasha e bia bit say encarry wana ye din kan ho asem na one day excavators instead of burning them no they took it to Patase depot and I said Patase police station. But say you should ye see wo assume mankran na some mankran so ya omo dear excavators no instead of say bia sending it to a police station and keeping it there omo dear they decided to burn it for safety. They decided to burn it for safety. And at this, is it advisable say they keep it at the police depot or it's rather good for burning? Officers from the Forest Commission stormed an illegal mining site and burned over 10 pumping machines used by Galamsay to tap water from rivers from their activities. Forest Commission for omo eko eho se omo ekwa kwhwe de ekoso ewo mankran so eho no omo de ehu ebufuo ema 10 pumping machines omo etwa eja atum ahye no rebel we are friend total destruction omo ahye no passa. And so what to say now we no eba say yen kafa excavators and sa pumping machines si ehun a say na wo susu say enka yenye no now yenya nentia say excavators e cost which is one excavator could cost about 70 billion of cedis. 70 billions of cedis. We are talking about one excavator here. And we're talking about a beer 10 excavators. 70 times 10. And no cry a saying na yashini na. And then pumping machines and so ya wuni say ya shishe muno ya wuni say bako e cost 24 million and ewa hey 10 of it were bent. So 24 cry now they multiply by 10 it's here for near before it costs is an amount of money. And to we say no ususu say womo konya ni say ya omo enfambra eme kipu for Ghana construction. You bet me kipu for construction works. Normally the government will use it. And now say wo susu say omo kofa say ya omo nhye said ye esio mankran and I said mankran so for and not only them you will say Amenfi area some boy side or almost so ehye omo but it's only in Carrier Forest what the na yenyano and say omo de ne de omo chin but what the I think that there were 4 or 3 and I almost send the call Patase police station. And yeni say at the end of the day, ebi susu say, omo the call police station wa the same Galamsay miners nebesan kutieska akwa kwasisa ediako. At the end of the day, it becomes a foolish case. And stopping it, Nadia, the best way to stop it is to ban the machines. The best way to solve it is to ban them. Say now also watching. Should we ban it or we should send it to our various police stations and keep it for users? At your funny shuffle, and say, Afe, and I will do a video at her FPNTV official so and I will share. Fighting against Galamsay, ye gusua ye bohu dewu. Ye gusua ye kamunsem. Na ye penny for so de 9 esti for one. Won so any abrea odi hu echuma. Eha ena ye dewu ebesi. Na de koso ewo Galamsay mu bia no. Ye de beba Abesu Media and Patricia Ojo Macrow.
Market excavators Marco 8. Hey,